Frustrated by the Dzcore Library DLL error causing localized application logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. For professional-grade Dzcore library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Dzcore library, a specialized Dzcore library, frequently associated with high-speed data processing or compression tasks in specialized software suites, managing unmanaged data link orchestration for proprietary manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The file Dzcore Library DLL is required for localized application logic to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Dzcore library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Dzcore Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Dzcore Library. If Dzcore Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.